3 weeks ago, the flooding began. The roads surrounding the flooded areas have been clogged by those lucky enough to make an escape. The less fortunate were forced to wade or swim through the waters, often abandoning their possessions in order to survive.
मेरा घर वाला घर है पिया बांधते सारा महल खड़े थे 1 बजे ऐलान है रात दे असा रात को सलाब घिर दे रह गए से निके बाल चाके असा कशे नहीं चाहती घरों इंदी जोड़ों दी बीमारी है वो टोर नहीं सकती असा को कि हां सलाब जो कढे दवाई दे और सकन पैसे का नहीं.
Now that the waters have begun to recede, the true scale of this disaster is becoming painfully apparent. Over 10,000 entire villages have been washed away. Millions of acres of cultivated land have been destroyed and precious livestock lost. Having survived the floods, millions of Pakistanis are now fearful for the future. ActionAid is working with partner organizations, providing emergency relief to thousands of families across the country.
The food, the medical facilities, the shelter in this flood situation, basically the children and the women are the most vulnerable part.
In this one camp alone, there are 5 pregnant women. They receive regular visits from a doctor. However, it's not and cannot be home. A strong sense of community exists, but the children here are acutely aware of how radically their lives have changed. With your support, we can provide shelter and dignity to those hit hardest by the tragedy.